Hi, welcome to VR EPS. This is our 216D. I'm going to show you around the car, show you a couple of features. Starting off with the headlights. Got LED daytime running lights on the headlights there. Got alloy wheels, which are no marks on at all. 17-inch. Decent amount of tread on the wheel there. Coming around to the front of the car, minimal stone chips. It is a used car, so it will have the odd one. Can't see any there, to be honest. Front wheel, again, decent amount of tread there, and no marks on the alloy. Again, looking down the profile, no marks that you can see. Or dents at all. No marks on the rear alloy. And again, loads of tread on the rear tyre. On the back, unlike its cousin, the normal 2 Series, it does have a hatchback. And the tailgate is automatically opened. Also with the parking sensors on the rear there. In the boot, got a huge boot in the back, as well as a few cubby holes and netting, as well as a spare wheel in the back, as well as toolkits. Tethers for your child seats on the back, as well as buttons to pop the seats down for the rear to fold them flat. Inside we've got a cream interior, nice perforated leather and nice fixed points, as well as the little pull for the folding down, as well as armrest and cup holder, bit of storage as well. Huge amount of leg room down there. Taking a look in the front, got a multifunction leather steering wheel with audio, voice control and limiter on the left there. Nice big analog clocks, as well as a small digital dash in the centre. Automatic headlights. And jumping in, got front and rear parking sensors. Satellite navigation.